There are moments in life when everything feels delayed, unseen, and uncertain. Yet behind the scenes, something greater is unfolding. You may think you are being held back, but in reality, you might be being prepared. Allah does not leave a believer unnoticed. Every struggle, every silence, every test carries meaning beyond what the eye can see. This is a reminder for those who feel forgotten, that being chosen by Allah is not always loud or easy. Sometimes it is hidden in patience, in endurance, and in quiet faith. And when the time comes, everything changes in ways you never imagined. Being chosen by Allah is not about status, recognition, or ease. It is a quiet honor that often comes wrapped in difficulty, where a person is guided back to Him again and again. When distractions increase, yet your heart still longs for prayer, that is a sign of divine selection. Allah places a light within certain hearts that refuses to be extinguished, no matter how heavy life becomes. A person becomes more aware of their actions, their words, and their intentions. They feel a deeper connection to right and wrong, even when no one is watching. It is a path of purification, where Allah refines the soul through moments that shape sincerity and strengthen reliance on Him alone. Hardship is often misunderstood as distance from Allah, when in reality it can be a sign of His special attention. When a believer is tested repeatedly, it may be because Allah is elevating their rank and cleansing their heart from what weighs it down. These moments are not random. They are carefully placed to draw a person closer, to make them turn inward and upward. With every difficulty, there is an invitation to grow in sincerity and dependence. A person begins to rely less on people and more on Allah alone. Their connection deepens in private moments where no one sees their struggle except Him. Through these trials, faith is not only tested, but strengthened, becoming more real, more grounded, and more unshakable over time. Patience is not passive waiting. It is an active state of trust and restraint. It means holding firm to what is right, even when emotions pull in the opposite direction. A patient heart continues to obey Allah, avoids what displeases Him, and remains steady despite uncertainty. This kind of patience transforms ordinary struggles into a source of immense reward. Every moment of restraint, every silent endurance, carries unseen value. Over time, it builds a character that is calm, resilient, and deeply connected to Allah. What seems like delay in this world becomes a gateway to something far greater and everlasting. The story of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam teaches that even the deepest betrayal can be part of a greater plan. He faced jealousy from those closest to him, yet he responded with dignity and restraint. His journey shows that a believer's character is revealed not in ease, but in moments of injustice and isolation. Despite years of uncertainty, he remained firm in his values and never compromised his faith. Opportunities to choose wrong appeared, yet he chose Allah over immediate relief. In the end, every hardship aligned perfectly with Allah's wisdom, showing that what seems broken can lead to a beautifully written destiny. The companions Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu embodied unwavering commitment when faith demanded sacrifice. They left behind comfort, wealth, and even family ties to stand firmly for what they believed. Their strength was not in numbers or power, but in certainty that Allah's promise is true. They faced rejection, hardship, and moments of fear, yet their hearts remained anchored. What made them remarkable was their ability to stay sincere in both ease and difficulty. They supported one another, strengthened their bond, and placed their trust fully in Allah. Through their resilience, they became examples of how true success is earned through faith and perseverance. Trusting Allah's timing requires letting go of the need to control every outcome. A person may plan carefully, yet things unfold differently, creating confusion or delay. In those moments, faith is tested, not through action, but through acceptance. Believing that Allah knows what you cannot see brings a calm that overcomes restlessness. Sometimes what you ask for is withheld because something better is being prepared or harm is being removed quietly. When the heart settles into this understanding, it stops rushing and starts trusting, knowing that every moment is unfolding under Allah's perfect wisdom. There are moments of struggle that remain unseen by anyone but Allah, and within them lies a special kind of reward. When a person holds back tears, continues their responsibilities, and keeps their faith intact without seeking attention, it builds a sincerity that is rare and deeply valued. These hidden efforts carry a weight that public actions often do not. In those quiet battles, intentions become pure and reliance becomes stronger. A person learns to seek comfort directly from Allah, not from validation of others. Over time, these unseen sacrifices are honored in ways beyond imagination, forming treasures that last far beyond this world. This world often feels overwhelming because it surrounds us with constant comparisons, desires, and temporary achievements. People chase recognition, wealth, and comfort, believing these define success, yet none of it lasts. Everything here fades, no matter how significant it seems in the moment. The hereafter, however, is permanent and untouched by loss or disappointment. When a person shifts their focus toward what is everlasting, their priorities begin to change. They invest more in their actions, intentions, and connection with Allah. This perspective brings balance, allowing them to live in this world responsibly without becoming attached to what will eventually disappear. There are times when faith feels heavy, when motivation fades and our ibadat feel difficult to maintain. In those moments, the test is not about perfection, but consistency. Even small efforts done with sincerity carry great weight. Continuing despite inner resistance shows a deeper level of commitment that is beloved to Allah. A believer learns to move forward even when emotions are low, relying on discipline rather than feeling. Over time, this steady effort rebuilds strength and renews clarity. What once felt burdensome becomes a source of peace, as the heart slowly realigns itself with purpose and finds comfort in staying connected to Allah. Jannah is not merely a reward. It is a place where every longing is fulfilled without limit or end. Those who remain patient are promised a life free from pain, regret, and fear. What they endured in this world becomes small when compared to the peace and joy awaiting them. The promise of Jannah gives meaning to every hardship faced along the way. It reminds a believer that nothing is wasted and every struggle carries purpose. When this certainty settles in the heart, patience becomes easier and hope grows stronger, guiding a person to remain steadfast with trust in Allah's everlasting promise. Sincerity in worship is about directing every act purely for Allah, without seeking recognition or praise from others. It transforms even the smallest actions into something meaningful, because the intention behind them is clean and focused. When a person stands in prayer or raises their hands in dua with full presence, it creates a connection that is deep and personal. Over time, this sincerity shapes the heart, making it more humble and aware. It removes the need for validation and replaces it with contentment. A sincere believer finds peace in knowing that Allah sees every effort, even when no one else does. Pain often feels overwhelming because it limits our view to the present moment. A person may struggle to understand why certain events unfold in ways that seem unfair or confusing. Yet beyond what is visible, there is a wisdom that only Allah fully knows. What appears as loss may actually be protection, and what feels like delay may be careful preparation. When a person accepts that there is a greater plan at work, their perspective begins to shift. They stop questioning every outcome and start trusting the process. This trust brings relief, allowing the heart to find stability even in uncertain situations. There are subtle moments in life that hint a change is approaching, even if it is not immediately visible. A person may notice a shift within themselves, such as increased awareness, a stronger pull toward al-khair, or a growing discomfort with past habits. These internal changes often come before external ease. At the same time, certain doors begin to close, while others quietly open, guiding a person in a new direction. What once felt confusing starts to make sense in small ways. These are gentle indications that something is aligning and that Allah is preparing a transition toward something better and more meaningful. Moving forward with tawakkul means taking steps while placing the outcome entirely in Allah's control. A person does not remain stuck in fear or doubt, but continues to act with responsibility and trust. They plan, strive, and make decisions, yet their heart stays at ease, knowing that results are not in their hands. This balance creates strength and clarity. Instead of being overwhelmed by uncertainty, a believer feels guided and supported. Even if things do not go as expected, they remain composed, understanding that every result carries wisdom. With tawakkul, each step becomes purposeful, and the journey itself turns into an act of faith. True success is not measured by what is gained temporarily, but by what remains valuable beyond this life. Many chase achievements that fade quickly, leaving behind emptiness once they are gone. Real achievement is built through actions that carry lasting significance in the sight of Allah. A person who focuses on this deeper purpose begins to prioritize kindness, honesty, and consistency in good deeds. Their definition of progress changes, becoming less about appearance and more about meaning. Over time, this approach brings inner fulfillment because it connects everyday life with something permanent that cannot be taken away or diminished. Remember, what you go through is never wasted, and every moment is shaping something far greater than you can see. Stay firm, stay hopeful, and keep trusting the wisdom of Allah in your life. If this reminder touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more reflections. May Allah grant you ease, guidance, and eternal success in the hereafter. Ameen. Please comment Ameen to join this prayer. This is your reminder from Profound Deen.